car we're filling up this morning with unleaded racing fuel.
So much power.
All the power with these little bikes. We're going to be in... where are we going? Card. Okay, I'll do it. Having filled up with our super unleaded racing go juice, we are on our way to Alexandropoli.
Yes.
We've just left Kavala. It was very nice. The sun is shining.
All the good Greek food in Kavala.
Roscoe, you nearly said it. We've been trying to pronounce it Kavala.
I've been trying not to say, well, Charlotte in particular has been trying not to say Kavala.
I've been saying it right, Kavala.
Yeah, of course you have.
And we had all the lovely Greek food. There was more feta than Claire could eat last night.
I couldn't finish all the feta. There was blocks of it. It looked like it had been mined.
Oh. And we just had lovely, lovely food and a good breakfast this morning. Yep. And we're heading out. Our bikes sound like they're doing okay. My one's feeling really perky.
I'm not going to say anything about mine. But
No, don't. The best we can say is that we're not saying anything about Claire's bike.
Yeah.
But it's lovely. It's lovely. Mine's feeling perky. It's eager. I think it's the racing fuel. It's the super racing fuel that's done it. And we've got, what have we got? 174 today.
Shorter.
Yeah, it's not bad. We should, if everything goes to plan, and I'm still touching basket like crazy. All the basket. But if it goes to plan, we could be there by just after midday, which is ridiculous. And we don't want to cross over into Turkey today. So Alexandropoli is sort of the last big place in Greece before you get to the Turkish border. And there's very few places that you can pass from Greece into Turkey. Certainly there's only one place that's at all sensible for our journey. Because lots of the area south of where we're going to be passing today is national park. And you just can't really ride through there.
There's no road through it. It's just rivers and parks, and you kind of have to ride above it.
Yeah. So we found the nicest looking route we can. I'm looking, today should be a really nice day of sort of bit of coast, bit of inland, lots of countryside. I'm really looking forward to today.
I think it could be a good day.
Yeah.
The sun is shining. I haven't got my hoodie on. I'm just wearing my armour.
Yeah.
I've got sun cream on my wrists, so I don't burn my wrists again.
No, I'm a bit more of a wuss with the temperature. I've still got my hoodie on, but I think it's going to come off in the next half an hour.
Yeah, I'm a great temperature.
So this is a good point to say we love our Nox armour, even when it was cold and we had all the layers on under it and over it.
It's still great.
It's great, yeah. Suddenly you can look more casual on the bike. You can be really, really sure that if you do have any kind of off-touch basket, that it's your armour's not going to move on you. I like it. It feels snug and secure.
It's really comfortable to wear. My only, I'd probably say I could do with the sleeve being a little bit longer, but that's because I've got long arms. And
he just went through the lights.
He did, and I was like, hang on, there's a red light. But apart from that, it's great. They are getting a bit whiffy.
Oh, well, we've worn them every day for almost 3 weeks. Without laundering them, obviously, because I'm not going to go to the bother of laundering armour. It could probably ride home on its own by the time we get there. It's a bit smelly, but it'll be okay. I'm hoping it'll wash well. Do you think it'll wash well?
I'm hoping it'll wash well. I have hopeful.
Ooh, pick a gear.
I think it'll wash well.
Yeah. Well, we will give you an update when we've been on the road for a while. Bye-bye.
See you later.
I've just got a message. We stopped to have an oil check, and I've just got a message from Mirikan. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know. You have to correct me when I meet you. Who's Suran Bayan on Instagram, who's Turkish moto girl vlogger, and she's organising a ride out and some brunch on Sunday morning for us when we get to Istanbul. I'm really, really chuffed about this, and get to meet some Turkish biker girls. So that's just a brilliant way to end things. Yeah. How's your oil looking?
It's looking all right. I had an instance of the noise.
Da da da.
I had. But it seemed to be when I was going over a bump. So we'll see. The oil looks okay, so we'll see how it goes.
Right. Do you need any more of the Pilford Hotel toilet paper?
I don't.
Excellent.
burned my hand on the exhaust, but... Do you think we can take this tractor?
I think we possibly can. Do you think that's one of those magic tractors?
No, it's not a magic tractor yet.
Why is it not a magic tractor yet?
Because it hasn't turned into a field.
Ba-bum!
Hey!
Oh, it's quite a sticky outy tractor.
Well, it is actually. He's got big pointy things on the outside.
It's going to be like
James Bond, they'll start spinning.
Oh, I don't want them to start spinning. Right, okay, I'm winding it up for an overtake. I am go for an overtake. What is it the advanced riders say?
It's on!
It's on! Here we go! Wah! Eat my monkey dust. You got a bike behind you.
Yeah. Yeah, this jolly chap just came and rode up next to me for a bit and gave me a big smile.
Ah, there he is.
Hey.
We regularly get overtaken by the two-wheeled vehicles.
Yes.
It's kind of...
We're eating his dust, basically.
Yeah, we've got used to it now. I've never been overtaken so much on a motorcycle. I mean, yeah, we're doing just short of 80 kilometres an hour, but yeah, everything goes past us.
Apart from tractors.
Apart from tractors.
Yeah, we can still take
We
the
can
tractors.
take the tractors. We just stopped at the side of the road to have a closer look
At one of these shrines.
at one of these shrines because they're everywhere in Greece, and it's puzzling to us what drives people to put them here and why. I'm going to go and have a little read of the situation and find out if there's any...
Is it a traveller thing? Is it to protect travellers on the roads? Or because there's loads of them, and there's shops selling loads of them as well. There's lots of shops by the side of the road selling all sorts of stuff, and they're quite elaborate. I mean, this is obviously well maintained.
Yeah.
It's got a little candle in there. It's got a couple of icons, sort of very sort of Byzantine looking, sort of Virgin Mary and Child, and this lovely sort of like roof, and it's beautiful.
It's concrete. It's solid. Very peculiar.
Very peculiar.
I can't hear you. Too noisy, mate. Getting some love there from the locals.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, reached out and opened something.
Okay. Oh, there's some bit of bikers going on here.
Yeah. We got a proper look from bearded dude on the wing. I think it was a wing. Huge.
Oh, that was a Harley, definitely.
Harley?
Yeah, that was a Harley.
Yeah. There's a red light up there.
Yeah, I'm coming to a stop here as well.
Right.
Oh, I've got a green. There they go. He's still eating his sandwich. Look. Back on a tiny little road here.
Google has sent us back street again.
Yeah.
It's rather lovely. There's olive groves and we were hoping for a coffee shop, but we haven't found one yet.
All we found is tree spooge in our faces. It's flying everywhere, these little seedy, parachutey cotton wool things that are getting in my face and up my nose.
Right turn's coming up. Right. That van has just gone.
Okay. Oh, there is a big hole here. Do not fall in that hole.
Oh, I think we need sort of like climbing gear, crampons, ropes to get out of that point.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Really? Oh, sit rep. We are about 40 kilometres from Alexandroupoli, and we wanted to stop for morning coffee.
No coffee.
No coffee for us.
For you, there is only nature.
Yeah, bit of a shocker, but we'll get there and we'll have a sort of a late lunch or something when we get there.
The scenery, however, is gorgeous.
Look at this! there's the roadside is full of wild flowers. There's all sorts of colours, yellows and purples and reds, and look at it. It's absolutely, this land is so fertile. Things just grow in this. It's so nice, and it smells nice as well.
It does smell great. Of course, the upshot of this is that there are lots of flying insects which seem to really enjoy committing suicide on our visors.
Yeah.
Luckily, Charlotte's up front, so she's taken the brunt of the
Yes.
insect sort of
Onslaught. Yeah,
onslaught.
they're all basically just face diving me at the moment. I'm not loving that, but it's so beautiful, and the temperature. Finally, we're cruising through these warm winds. It's just so nice. I'm not sure I'm going to say that 2 or 3 weeks of piss wet weather and awful wind and stuff actually makes it worth it, but maybe it does, because it's nice, it's lovely.
Maybe
I'm warm now.
and it's just a shame it's taken till we've got to Greece when the weather is just nice.
Yeah.
It really has. It's pretty much as soon as we entered Greece, we got good weather.
Yeah.
Thank you, Greece, for
Thank
that.
you, Greece.
You may have no roadside coffee shops or motorway services, but thank you for the weather.
Definitely. There's a man over there on his moped walking his dog. Can you see it?
That is quite something.
I've just got used to people not wearing helmets. That's fair enough. But he's walking his fucking dog with a moped.
That was better than yesterday when we actually saw a dog on a moped. Admittedly, the moped wasn't actually moving, but it did look like the dog was about
to take off. Yeah.
Maybe take off. And I think maybe that's the root of why the dogs keep chasing us. They're actually trying to
nick out.
Us.
Yeah. Oh. Anyway, here we are, Alexandropolis. Alexandropolis, sorry. And this is really the last town in the EU before you head out to Turkey. This is it. This is the end of the EU.
This is the milliways of the EU.
In many ways, it is milliways. Yes. Although possibly without the explosions.
Yeah, hopefully without the explosions at the end of the world.
Well, this evening I shall have a Pangalactic Gargle Blaster. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that, because not only do I not drink, but I suspect that would be a really bad idea. What was it? A bit like being smacked round the back of the head with a rubber brick wrapped in a bit of lemon.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah.